In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image quickly with the crop tool. Cropping is one of the fastest ways to improve a photo or graphic. It lets you remove distractions, tighten your composition, and draw attention to what matters most. We'll keep this quick and clear. You'll activate the crop tool, choose the exact area you want to keep by dragging the edges or corners, and then apply the crop to lock it in. First, press the C key on your keyboard to activate the crop tool. In most image editing programs, that shortcut instantly switches you to the cropping mode. You'll typically see a bounding box appear around your image, along with handles on the edges and at the corners. That's your visual cue that you're ready to define the final frame. Now, refine the selection by clicking and dragging the edges or corners of that bounding box. Dragging a side handle adjusts one dimension, while pulling from a corner lets you change width and height together. As you move those handles, keep an eye on your subject and the edges of the frame. Ask yourself what the viewer should notice first and make sure that's comfortably inside the bounds. If a grid overlay appears, use it to balance your composition. Centering something perfectly can be great, but often a slight offset feels more dynamic. Look at the edges for unwanted elements that might creep into the shot, like a stray object or a sliver of background, and trim them away. Leave a little breathing room around key details, especially around faces, text, or important objects, so nothing feels cramped. Think about the final use too. If you plan to add captions or graphics later, leave space where those elements will sit. And remember, cropping reduces the overall dimensions of your image, so avoid trimming more than you need if you'll be exporting for high-resolution use. Once you're happy with the selection, press Enter or Return to apply the crop. The program will commit your changes and update the canvas to match your chosen frame. If you look at the result and realize you want to nudge it a bit, don't worry, you can always undo and try again. Many editors also keep your original image data available, so experimenting before you finalize is a smart habit. That's it. Press C to activate the crop tool, drag the edges or corners to frame your subject just right, and press Enter or Return to apply. With a few thoughtful adjustments,